Leadership is not about you, but it starts with you. Leadership is not about micromanaging, but it starts with micromanagement.
But here's the truth. That thing you've been avoiding, it's costing you. It's not neutral. It's not a someday issue. It's draining your energy. It's crushing your confidence. It's blocking your leadership. It's slowing your growth. Wherever you are, just know this. You're not here by accident. This is a room full of people who have made a decision to go for it, to leave something comfortable, something safe, and leave it for a dream. That's not small. That's not normal. That's leadership.
There's a lack of ownership, there's a lack of responsibility, there's a lack of discipline, which means there's an opportunity for you to grow and separate yourself.
Put your hands together for Bryce Henson! Are you excited? You need to freaking stop dabbling and you need to go all in. You're gonna face hard resistance. You're just going to. This is life. Then you have to have a gut check. Are you gonna quit? Are you gonna take the path of least resistance? Or are you gonna hunker down and play the long game and commit to excellence? Because if you do, and when we do, eventually we will win. Without efficiency, without discipline, without freedom, without focus, you will never become a high-performing individual. Every single one of us here today in this room has an hourglass that's flipped upside down. Minute by minute by minute, our lives are ending. That's the cold, hard truth. So if you want to have a big impact and a big income, you need to understand the value of your time. And let's face it, every one of you is ambitious and smart. You're going to be a high-performance human no matter what, I guarantee it. But is it going to take you 5 years? Or are you going to time collapse and take you 6 months or 12 months and guard your most valuable asset? The best studio managers, the best salespeople, the best CEOs in organizations, they're not hired. They are developed within. When I look at Bedros and my business partner, he didn't meet me in 2012 and said, hey Bryce, I'm going to sign you up for the VP tomorrow and then let's put you in the CEO role tomorrow, the next day. Good luck, have fun. That's just not how it happens. It was time under tension, relationship development, personal growth, years of reps and sets. Leadership, responsibility, taking control of your life. I was hooked. I started writing ideas in a notebook, dreaming what life could be like if I actually went for it. And then I did. At the end of the day, if you want to be an empire builder, if you want to be a high-performance individual, you have to know while there is money in the transaction, there is wealth in the relationship. If you want your business to grow, if you want your team to thrive, if you want to lead the next level, it starts with you.